Look at this shit. Look at cars everywhere. Brand new fucking cars. All over the street. Wow. And my dumb ass out in it. So, if something happened to me, ain't nobody's fault but mine. Look at this shit. It's fucking crazy. Like goddamn Detroit around this moment. Goddamn New York. Like I've seen cars in bushes. I've seen cars on the side of the road. People walking because their cars broke down or they done slid into something. Oh my God, it's crazy, man. Wow. Crazy shit. Hope I don't slide off the damn road, especially going up or down a damn hill. You gotta go real slow. You see how much I'm doing, and this is fast right now. Look at that, that's fast. 20 is real fast right now in this shit. Trust me. Safest possible speed you can probably go. It's crazy. I don't think we had a snow blizzard like this in, shit, I say decades, man. I haven't seen anything like it in a long time. I probably was a little kid. So that's almost, that's a long damn time. Anyway, just letting y'all know what's going on. Alright, I'll let you.